Morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are starting it off with Dixie on a weekly time frame because I want to show you that weekly wise, this open and close above the 21 and 55 EMA crossing, that is a very healthy sign for continuation. Next week, even if we open and if this turns into a doji rejection and we get a pullback, I'm looking for major support to be at 103.50. And after that, worst case scenario, I'll look at 102.50. But 103.50 to 103 level will probably be where we consolidate next week if we lose the low around 103.50. And then we will probably consolidate sideways, make a little bit of a higher low, and then probably continue back up. Because the way that this is looking, yeah, it looks like a pullback is like coming, but more than likely we're not going to get too much lower than 103. And then we should go sideways, let the oscillators cool off, and probably continue back. I'm very adamant about that 107 now. It doesn't matter debt ceiling or what. I'm looking for that target to tap, get rejected, and then I can look for more downside if it's going to come. But that much I'm pretty confident about. Now let's go look at CME weekly. Here's CME weekly of Bitcoin. Now you can see Bitcoin now is officially struggling to get past above that $27,600 area. We are poking above it. We tapped into the 27 and rejected immediately. This does look like price action wants to roll over a little and then probably come test back. Oh, there go my chickens. Into the $25,600 area. In this area, if we lose it on a weekly close, that's when we can look for further downside. But right now, next week, I'm looking for price action to come mature down into this level, find some support at around 25,560, go sideways, and then we can look for another attempt back up to the $27,600 area. But as of right now, we can say that 25,550 is support. And until that is broken with a weekly candle to the downside, or at least a daily open and close underneath 25.5, I wouldn't be too concerned about testing into the 23,450 level. This does look like it's wants to roll over, as I said, but until we lose this $26,000 level, I wouldn't be targeting the 23. But that will be the next target after that occurs, as you can see, through FIB and EMA. Now, if we can get our weekly candle next week to basically close above 27,006, well, and we could go hold this sideways, then the next natural target is going to be around 32,100. So that's the target we will get after we can pull off this bull flag accumulation of grinding out the lows around 26. Probably we'll see a quick pop up into that level to basically hurt all the shorts that are trying to jock for a short in this position. Even though it does want to even though it looks like it wants to roll over, I don't think it's going to do anything other than a liquidity grab quickly and then probably reverse. So that's my thesis on Bitcoin. Let's go to Ethereum on CME, and ETH actually looks probably the healthiest out of all the assets. ETH looks like it found its support, which I was looking for on Bitcoin on that rollover, and then it's looking like it's already playing out the bull flag. So if ETH can basically open next week around 1900 and hold at 1900, not going lower than 1880 on a 4-hour open and close or a daily open and close, you will probably be looking for a float back up into the 2000 to the 2100 area, where you're going to meet the FIB target of 2088 and the EMA target of 2180, and that $100 wiggle room in between the two is where I'd look for my next level of resistance if I was to take a short. And if I am long, I'm definitely going to be taking profit in this area because I don't want to fight that resistance on the first tap. This rejection was not a first tap of the 100 EMA. It was a first tap of the FIB, and the FIB rejected it. And now the EMA is coming in to confirm that this is going to be resistance for us to claim in a little bit of time. And that's going to be on a weekly time frame. So keep in mind it's going to take a while to get to those targets. But right now, this is showing you strength and health. The only negative thing is that the volume divergence is bearish. As you can see, this volume is declining as we're coming into a peak. So that can actually turn into a rollover effect. And the warning of the rollover will occur after losing 1880 on a larger time frame close, like a daily. So yeah, That's basically all I have for you guys for the weekend. I will be scalping altcoins on the Discord, so if you guys are interested in trading with me live, feel free to join the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend for the channel that help us grow. So thank you so much, guys, for your love and support. And yeah, I hope to see you in the Discord server. Aside from that, just leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, press the button for notifications so you get these videos as they drop, because I know the timeline is a little variable right now.